You are a slave to those voices in your head. And if you don't start talking back to them, you're never going to get well. Those voices inside your head are playing such an important role in your life. Right now, you're listening to those voices. When that voice is telling you to watch porn, to act out sexually, to self-deprecate, to get defensive with your partner, to get defensive at work, you're listening to that part of you. That part of you is controlling you. And that part of you is a part of your personality. That part of you is actually what's called a sub-personality, a separate and distinct part of you that has its own unique origins and has its own unique unmet needs. So instead of demonizing that part of you, instead of wishing that part of you would go away, do the exact opposite. Bring that part of you closer. Love that part of you. Talk back to that part of you. Respond to that voice that's telling you to watch porn. No, I don't want to watch porn. I don't want to act out sexually. No, I'm not a piece of shit. Respond to that voice because that part of you needs something and it needs your help. So start talking to yourself.